What is NSQF? What you must know about it. Why it is important.
What is NSQF?
The National Skills Qualifications Framework, NSQF, is a assurance framework. It provides for multiple pathways within vocational education and vocational training at a nationally integrated education and competency-based skill framework to impart general and technical education. It links one level of learning to another.
Why NSQF is important?
The NSQF linkage allows the student to acquire the desired level of competency, and job market transitions at different levels. It also allows for their acquisitions to enhance their competencies at a suitable time. It provides facilities for multiple entry and exit between skill training, vocational education, job markets, and general and technical education. To understand the job market requirements, it has met tie-ups with the industries and markets. It helps in providing better potential which recognizes early learning.
Why NSQF is necessary?
To achieve international equivalency, NSQF provides national principles for identifying skill competencies and proficiency at different levels. It offers a multiple entry and exit option to students between vocational education, general education, skill training, technical training, and job markets. NSQF level training includes a provision of progressive pathways defined within the skill qualification framework. The framework builds a credible, transparent, and accountable mechanism to develop skills across multiple sectors. NSQF provides better potential to recognize early learning. How our solution is aligned with NSQF. Cnctrain e-learning library. Cnctrain shop floor library. Cnctrain practical library. In Cnctrain e-learning library, our technologies include CNC, which has CNC turning and CNC milling. In that we will know about introduction and basic programming, robotics, which has robotics basic application, hydraulics, which has automation application fluid power, hydraulics, pneumatics, which has automation application fluid power, pneumatics, and sensors, which has automation application electrical system, sensors. In Cnctrain shop floor library, our technologies include CNC, which has CNC turning and milling, in which we will know about introduction and programming, robotics, which has robotics application, material handling, automation, which has automation programming, industrial controller, PLC. Cnctrain practical library, our technologies include CNC, which has CNC turning and CNC milling. In that we will know about introduction, basic programming, FANUC programming, Siemens 828 programming, PLC, in which we will know about automation industrial controller, PLC, robotics, which has, in that we will know about basic introduction, robotics application material handling, configure input card and signals, robotics application material handling, create a events and a vacuum gripper and create a robot program offline method, mechatronics, which has automation application general, mechatronics system, hydraulics, which has automation application fluid power, hydraulics, pneumatics, which has automation application fluid power, pneumatics, and sensors, which has automation application electrical system, sensors. In Cnctrain, our curriculum roadmap for each semesters. In fourth semester we will know about automation application electrical system, sensors, automation application fluid power hydraulics, automation application fluid power, pneumatics. In fifth semester, we will know about CNC turning and CNC milling. In that we will know about basic introduction, basic programming, FANUC programming, and Siemens 828 programming, and automation application industrial controller, PLC. In sixth semester, we will know about basic robotics introduction, robotics, configure input card and signals, robotics, create a event in vacuum gripper, robotics, create a robot program in offline mode. In seventh semester we will know about automation application general, mechatronics system.
What is NSQF alignment?
Our Cnctrain is an AICTE mapped solution that has fully adapted the NSQF, National Skills Qualifications Framework. through its programs allowing trainees to gain invaluable assets and achieving its goals.
What are the features aligned with NSQF that you are following in your libraries?
Features aligned with NSQF that we are following in our libraries. NSQF is based on an outcomes-based approach, and each level in the NSQF is defined and described in terms of competency levels that would need to be achieved. The NSQF will make the progression pathways transparent so that institutes, students and employers are clear as to what they can or cannot do after pursuing a particular course and address the issues of inequity and disparity in qualifications. This often leads to problems in establishing equivalence of certificates, diplomas, degrees in different parts of the country, which in turn impacts the employability and mobility of students. The negative perception associated with vocational education and training can be significantly removed by the development of quality qualifications that also permit acquisition of higher qualifications, including degrees and doctorate. There exists a large section of people who have acquired skills in the informal sector but who do not have the necessary formal certifications to attest to their skills, and opportunities to promote lifelong learning and skill development.
What are the features of libraries?
Features of libraries are e-learning modules mapped to AICTE model, experiential learning by introducing practical activities, module course structure, delivering outcomes and reports, CAN courses, internships, blended, remote experiential course, knowledge, skill and application-based courses, assessment attached for every e-learning module, and social learning with peer review.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.